Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna introduce to you to a new series of our new products, namely the iPad Air Gen 5. This product was released together with the iPhone SE at the Apple Watch event. Before the release of the iPad Air Gen 5, many iPad series were launched before. So what makes the iPad Air Gen 5 superior to the previous iPad series? Let's see. The first thing is the definition. iPad is a tablet computer developed by Apple. It is smaller than a typical laptop, but significantly larger than the average smartphone. The iPad does not include a keyboard or a trackpad, but instead has a touchscreen interface, which is used to control the device. Even though it doesn't have a keyboard, but it do can type like a keyboard by adding the wireless keyboard accessories. The next explanation is features that will be explained by Davinda.
The iPad Air Gen 5 provides several interesting features, namely the first to use the M1 chip, which is the chip used in the current base iPad series, namely the iPad Pro. This allows us to run several applications simultaneously. The graphics are 2 times faster and the CPU up to 60% faster than the previous iPad series. Next is the front camera with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which means it supports center stage. It doesn't stop here to provide a fast network and make it easier to share documents. They bring ultra-fast 5G and USB-C ports in this series. The existence of iPad OS also make this iPad even more special because we can easily add quick notes to all applications, use several applications at the same time, and much more. iPad Air Gen 5 is also very compatible with cool accessories like Magic Keyboard, Smart Keyboard, Folio, and Apple Pencil second gen. This generation is iPad has a wide choice of colors, namely space gray, starlight, pink, purple, and blue. Come with two versions, namely Wi-Fi and cellular. This iPad Air is perfect for those of you who like or want to use this iPad as a communication tool that must be carried anywhere without having to use a Wi-Fi network. The storage has two options, namely 64 GB and 258 GB, and both have 8 GB RAM. So it's really suitable for those of you who like to edit video, quick design, and others.
Thank you, Davinda, for the explanation. So the next one is advantages that will be explained by Laila.
Okay, previously I gave permission not to turn on the camera because it was a device constraint. Okay, now I will explain about the advantage of the iPad Air Gen 5. With the many advantages of its features, it makes the iPad Air Gen 5 superior to the previous iPad series. As explained at the beginning, this iPad uses the Apple M1 chip used on the iPad Pro and has now existed in the previous iPad series, with the same chip performance as the iPad Pro, but at a more affordable price. Then the addition of ultra-fast 5G features and a USB-C port, which will give us a faster network and can also connect drive, cameras, and more. This makes the iPad Air Gen 5 twice faster than the previous series, which hangs on the network 4G and USB port. Next, the storage has two options, namely for 64 GB and 258 GB, and both have 8 GB RAM. And the presence of iPadOS 15, which allows us to run multiple applications simultaneously and take quick notes. This is designed to make this iPad Air Gen 5 easier for iPad versatility, and the iPad is in this series support the use of accessories like next front camera with 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which means it supports center stage. Comes with two versions, namely Wi-Fi and cellular, and provide a very worth it price starting from 8 million rupiah to 13 million rupiah according to the version and storage. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Laila. And the last one is a benefit. Number one, with the features provided, it can make it easier for us to carry out learning and work activities easily and quickly. And two, by using this sophisticated and capable device, it will certainly encourage us to more productive because it is easy to carry anywhere and anytime. So, in conclusion, if you are coming to buy our product, we are offering a 20% discount for orders item to the first customer on March 20 to 27. And thank you for the great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for listening us. May all those that we share to you has a beneficial for all of us. Thank you very much.